This is Mrs. Collier. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing fine. I am sheltering in place at home with my family. We're all in good health. This week we're going to start our first distance learning using Echo Classroom, Echo at New Tech, Google Classroom at Manor High. This assignment will be kind of a review, and it's a chance for us to review old material that may be a little bit rusty, and B, figure out our technology, how we're going to make things happen. I am working on improving my technological skills so that I can use more interactive computer-based and not so much written. This time I've included 2 worksheets that you either need to print if you have a printer at home that works. If you don't have a printer at home, then you're probably going to have to draw it out. I'm not grading on your artistic ability, but you may have to actually recreate these. Hopefully you'll have a printer or some way to do that. If you get creative and find a way to upload it, great. Anyway, the first, there'll be 2 sheets. I'm not sure which one you'll see first. This is a sheet we've done before, which is the layout of your fingerboard. And you should put the letter names up here of your strings, and then what notes are on the yellow tape, the red tape, the blue tape, and the orange tape. For the violins and violas, that's a 2-3 finger pattern. For the cellos, it's a 3-4 finger pattern and some shifting to get to the orange tape. For the bass, it's a 1-4 finger pattern with shifting to get to the blue and the orange tape. The second sheet is you should write your clef sign, and I've given an example of a cello, a viola, a violin, and a bass, what it would look like. Just read the instructions, write the clef sign, your notes on the G. You can use quarter notes, or you can just write the letter names in, that's fine, and name each note. This one's notes on the D, this one's notes on the A, this one's on the C string or the E string, depending on which one you have. Now, if you can't remember, get online and research it. You can find charts of violin and cello and bass fingerboards. You can find those there. I think if you were to put in our book name, you could find actual pages from our book, String Basics. I'm also giving you permission to contact each other. This kind of collaborative learning, that'll be okay. Do some FaceTime with somebody. It's a good way to help each other. Any extra effort you make to remember something, like calling somebody, you're more likely to remember it than if you were just writing it 100 times. Good luck, stay safe. I'll see you next week, video or in person.